Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I am going to start a new series of 200 most important biotechnology and genetic engineering MCQs. These questions are very useful for all competitive exams. Without wasting time, let's start. The enzyme that joins the DNA strand during the construction of recombinant DNA is the enzyme that helps to join the DNA strands during construction of recombinant DNA. It is DNA gyrase. The technique used to amplify specific DNA sequence is a technique that is used to amplify the specific DNA sequence, that is the PCR, polymerase chain reaction. pDNA is used in biotechnology of pDNA is used in biotechnology of recombinant DNA. pDNA is the plasmid DNA. Which one of the following scientists produced golden rice? Golden rice is produced by M.S. Swaminathan. Match list first discovery with list second scientist and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. Here in this list 1, discoveries are given, and in list second the name of the scientists who have discovered are given. We have to match. Breaking of the genetic code. This was done by Nierenberg and Mithai. Synthesis of an artificial gene. This was done by Khorana. DNA and DNA-RNA hybridization in situ. This was done by Pardue and Gall. Phenomenon of transduction. This was discovered by Gender and Lederberg. So, among these, option C is correct. Cryogenes are present in Bacillus thuringiensis. Which one of the following first genetically modified crop? First genetically modified crop among this is flavor saver tomato. Bolgard cotton contains endotoxin genes from this Bolgard cotton. It contains the endotoxin genes from Bacillus subtilis. Golden rice is developed by the presence of beta carotene. Hybridoma technology is useful in the production of monoclonal antibodies. Which bacterium is called the guinea pig for all rDNA manipulations? Bacillus subtilis, that is called as guinea pig for all rDNA manipulations. Cryopreservation is useful for preservation of semen, living cells and very young fetuses. So all of the above are correct. The first resistance R gene against Helminthosporium carbonum race first, known as HM1 gene, was isolated from maize. Genetically engineered male sterile crop plants have been produced by inserting. These genetically engineered male sterile crops plant have been produced by inserting the Bernays gene. Which one of the following tracer elements can be incorporated in both DNA and RNA? 3H cytosine. This can be incorporated in both DNA as well as RNA as a tracer element. Which one of the following is not a thermostable enzyme? Among these, RNA polymerase is not a thermostable enzyme. Other three enzymes are thermostable. The most common ionizing radiation used for mutation in plant improvement program is the X-rays that are used as most common ionizing radiation for mutation in plant improvement programs. Restriction enzymes cut DNA at specific sites known as These sites are known as palindromic sequences. Consider the following statements. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? We have to find the correct statements among these two. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a soil bacterium. This is the correct statement. It is a soil bacterium. Agrobacterium tumefaciens was the first vector used for introduction of foreign DNA in plant cells. This is also correct statement. So both 1 and 2 are correct. TI plasmid used in genetic engineering is obtained from the TI plasmid that is used in genetic engineering. It is obtained from Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? We have to find the incorrect pair. Bioremediation, it is microbe mediated cleaning of pollution. This is correct. Southern blotting is used for DNA hybridization. This is also correct. Then Western blot, dideoxy method of DNA sequence. This is an incorrect statement because Western blotting is used to detect the specific proteins in a sample of tissue homogenate or extract. And Northern blot, sequencing of RNA. This is also correct. Which one of the following enzymes is responsible for synthesis of DNA from RNA polymerase? Here the reverse transcriptase enzyme is responsible for synthesis of DNA from RNA polymerase. Vaccines produced by using plant as an expression system is known as, these type of vaccines are known as DNA vaccines. Blue rose is created through the genetic manipulation of primary metabolic pathway. Rennet used in rennet is a substance that contains rennin and used in curdling of milk for cheese. So rennet is used in cheese making. EcoRI is an enzyme that cuts DNA. Among existing technologies, which of the following vector systems would you prefer to use for generating a library for 140 kb eukaryotic genomic DNA fragments while giving due consideration to size as well as stability of the insects? In this case, we use the bacterial artificial chromosome, that is BAC. Which of the following food crops has recently been genetically engineered to obtain edible vaccine to develop immunity against hepatitis B? Among these, to develop edible vaccine against hepatitis B, potato is used. The technique used to synthesize large quantities of specific DNA fragments without cloning it is called as gene amplification. Electroporation is a technique commonly used in somatic hybridization. Which one of the following is a genetically engineered antiviral protein? Interferons are the genetically engineered antiviral protein. Gene responsible for insulin production was isolated from humans and transferred first to the gene responsible for insulin production was first transferred to Escherichia coli, that is E. coli. Production of human protein in bacteria by genetic engineering is possible because the genetic code is universal. This is the correct answer. Which one of the following bacteria has found extensive use in genetic engineering works in plants? Among these, Agrobacterium tumefaciens is the bacteria that has found extensive use in genetic engineering works in plant. Which of the following characteristics make the endonuclease a restriction enzyme? We have to find the characteristic by which the endonuclease act as a restriction enzyme. Restricted infection of bacteria by certain viruses that are bacteriophages by degrading the viral DNA. This is the correct statement. Then ability to cut only the double-stranded DNA. This is also its characteristic. Then ability to cut DNA into specific fragments containing identifiable genes at any position. This is also correct. So among these, all the three statements are correct. So option D is correct here. Antibodies cure disease by competitive inhibition. Northern hybridization involves RNA fragments. The repetitive DNA used in DNA fingerprinting is, these are the VNTRs, that is variable number tandem repeats. It is a location in a genome where a short nucleotide sequence is organized as a tandem repeats. The presence of telomerase in a cell act as the presence of telomerase enzyme in a cell act in anti-cancer therapy. Match the following. We have to match these two columns. BT cotton, it has the pest resistance quality. Flavor Saver tomato, these have improved shelf life. Roundup Ready sorghum, it is having herbicide tolerance. Golden yellow rice, it has improved nutritional quality. So among these, option B is correct. That's all for today. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.